please open exam 2016, paper 2, October. Okay. Yes, that's it. So, in today's session, we will solve, as I said, the October exam 2016, paper 2. Let's go to the first question here. Here is a food chain from the Atlantic Ocean. I can zoom in, okay, like this. Yeah. Okay. Here you can notice the presence of algae, okay, zooplanktons, and shrimp and cod. So how many trophic levels are there in this food chain? Okay, let me say something for you. To know the trophic levels here are the organisms that share or that carrying the energy flow. So how many organisms do we have in this food chain? We have to be specific. Huh? Can anyone tell me?
4.
Yes, excellent.
4.
Perfect. So the right answer, thank you both, Angie and I think Jasmine, for what? For trophic levels. Okay. Explain why algae are called producers. Why algae called producers? Okay.
Because they produce their own food.
To the food chain.
Okay. Samih, please repeat your answer.
Because they produce their own food.
Perfect. We are in exam 2016, paper 2, okay? Here, the right answer, as Samih said, and Jasmine, because producers are able to form their own form of energy, or can make their own energy. So let's write the right answer, because they are able to make their own food. And don't forget that this food, or by making this food here, they put the energy into the food chain, right? Because they start the flow of the energy. So they are producers too, because what? By making their food, or by making this food here, they are putting what? Putting energy to the food chain. Okay, the energy that is stored in this food, okay, to food chain. Did you get the answer? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, let's move to the next
Good
question.
morning, Miss.
Hello, good morning, Abdurrahman. How are you? How are you all? Miss you.
واحنا بنحل ايه يا مس معلش؟
We are in exam 2016. Okay.
Paper 1.
Paper 2. Okay. How, here, letter C, humans have overfished the cod, causing the number to decrease. What effect will this have on the number of shrimps? Okay.
Will decrease.
Increase.
Yeah,
Increase.
increase. Yes, excellent, perfect. So this increase. I will illustrate this part. Just imagine if these sorry for the noise. Let's continue. So I said that let's imagine that there is no codes, okay? Or the number of codes is very low. So of course, the number of shrimps will be what? Increasing. Why?
Increased.
Because there is no predator here to eat it or to prey these shrimps. So here we have to explain why. So we will write. Who can say the explanation?
Because they don't have any predators that will prey on them.
Yeah, perfect, perfect, perfect. So I will
Or
write.
fewer of them are being eaten by the cod.
Yeah, because fewer of them are eaten by the cod. Perfect. So I will write here both answers actually. There will be fewer. This is letter F.
Miss April 2016.
No, October 2016. Fewer. And don't don't worry عبد الرحمن, this session is recorded, so if you miss any part of the session you can watch it later, okay? Just follow us now. Here fewer shrimps will be eaten, and as Samih said that there will be less predators, okay? So they will increase in number. You can screenshot this answer or you can write it quickly. Let's move to the next question, which is question number 4. Okay, so I will erase this part and move to question. Wait, yeah, this question. Well, zoom. Yes. So here, who can read this question, please? Yeah. Who can read, please?
Okay, can I read it?
Yes, of course.
The sandwich consists of layers of meat, lettuce, and butter placed between slices of bread. Draw a line from each food item in the sandwich in the main type of nutrient it contains.
Okay, thank you. So can you please answer the first food item here, meat?
Meat, protein.
Thank you so much. So meat,
حضرتك عارفة يا ميس أنا مين أصلا؟
of course, Jana, right?
أيوه.
Yeah.
صح.
Okay, so this is meat is protein. Thank you, Jana. Please, another one. Abdurrahman, bread belongs to which food type?
Carbohydrate.
Perfect. Thank you. So bread is, okay, if we give them numbers, so this will be 1 and this 1. This is 2. And this will be 2. Okay. Okay, who can answer the third one?
Miss, can I answer?
Yes, of course, Jessie.
Lettuce with the fiber.
Yeah, the fibers. Perfect. Okay.
Miss, what is the name of the before fiber?
Roughage, or the same meaning of fiber. Okay. And the butter, who can answer the fourth one? El Mustafa, how are you? Huh? Habiba, who can answer the fourth one? Huh? What about, yes, Samih, huh? It will
Butter is fat.
fat, of course. Thank you. Okay, so let's move to the part below here. Yeah, the sandwich provides many of ingredients of a balanced diet. What is meant by the balanced diet? Of course, all
by eating all the food, but in
yeah, complete Abdurrahman eating,
but in their correct amount.
Perfect. Yeah, I was waiting to hear this word, correct amount, from all nutrients. So here, yeah. So here, a balanced diet, we can say that it is a diet that contains all contains or provides or يعني yeah contains or provide, both are the same, contain all nutrients but don't forget to write this, but
In the right amount.
perfect in correct amount, AMOUNT. Yes, okay, so I think this is easy. Let's move to the next one. Okay, here question number 7 actually. Scientists, who can read?
Miss, I can read.
Yes, Abdurrahman, go on.
Scientists have found evidence which shows that smoking tobacco increases the risk of developing serious disease.
Yeah.
The graph shows the percentages of people who smoked cigarettes between 1974 and 2006.
So describe the two patterns shown by the data. Wait, yani take your time by examining this graph. Here we can notice that this is the line for, or the axis of years, which is x-axis, and the y-axis here shows the percentage of what, of the people who smoked cigarettes. Okay, we can notice that this graph, by increasing of years, the number of people smoking the cigarettes decreased. So can you describe this data, this type of data?
Yeah, number of smokers has decreased.
Okay, let's write this one. And there is another description I will tell you about, but first let's write this answer in number 1. So here a percentage or the number, whatever you want, but I prefer to write percentage as is it is written here, percentage of people smoking cigarettes, what decreases, and decreases by what? By increasing the number of years, okay? Or as the years يعني pass. طيب, the second part that I wanted to focus on here, you see this يعني broken lines or dashed line consists of dots line, okay, or dash. This is represent women, okay, and this complete line represent men. Who do you think يعني men smoke more than females, or women?
Yes, men.
Of course. So we will write that the more male smokers, there are more male smokers than female. How, teacher, do you know this from this part?
Graph.
What? Yes. So
It says from the graph.
from the graph, perfect. So we will write another description for this data, or for these data. So here we will write males, okay, smokers, or male smokers, yeah, males.
This can say that the percentage of males decreased more than the percentage of females.
Can we say that percentage of what?
Males decreased more than the percentage
Yeah.
of females.
Yeah. You mean that a percentage of male decrease, but more than the
More than the
decreasing
female.
female. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so male, but here he wants two يعني points of description, so let's say each point separate. Okay, so male smokers هنا male smokers, sorry, what are more than female? The last question here. Okay, smoking cigarettes increases the risk of getting lung cancer. Doctors predict that there will be fewer cases of lung cancer in the future. Use information from the graph in part A to suggest a reason for this prediction. Okay, first, do you agree with this prediction or not?
Yes.
According to
No.
No.
Oh, who said no? Inji? Why? Do you think that the percentage of smoking cigarettes increase?
Oh, fewer. I saw the word fewer. I'm sorry.
No problem. Okay. So yes, this will be the right answer, that the percentage here, because the percentage decreases, so there will be less risk of lung cancer. Okay, let's move to the next question. Yeah, this one. So who can read? Ali, I didn't hear your voice. And Jinan. Who can read? And Abdullah too.
Miss, can I?
Yes, Judy, go on.
Animals can be classified into different groups. Complete the table. Choose from the following groups: amphibian, arthropod, bird, mammal, reptile.
Perfect. What do you think about the snake?
It's a reptile.
Yes, the snake is a reptile. Perfect. And I didn't hear the voice of Mustafa too. Sorry, not Mustafa. I mean Muhammad al-Zodi. I didn't hear his voice in this session. Reptile. Okay, can you answer letter B, please?
Tarantula. It's an arthropod.
Yeah, arthropod. Perfect. طب if you are يعني perfect, what do you think about, of course you are perfect, but I want hear your opinion about what which group of arthropod is this?
Arachnids.
Yes, perfect. Arachnids, because here we can notice 4 pairs of legs. Okay. Wolf, quickly. Wolf, what about it?
Mammals.
Yes, mammals. Mammals. And the frog?
Will be the
Yes. Perfect, Samih and Abdurrahman, all of you.
amphibian.
Yes, and Muhammad, yes. So it will be amphibian. So thank you so much. Let me